Welcome to Krushi Store's YouTube channel. A lot of farmers are asking us how to make a quotation for your solar fencing system that you will install in your farm. In this video, we are going to learn to make a quotation and look at how the quotation is calculated. So first of all, you need to search KrushiStore.com in any browser. Now this website will open up and there is this button named Get a Quotation. This website can be accessed on your mobile phone as well. So now this quotation form is available in two languages, English and Hindi. So the first field here is name. So I will enter my name here. The second field is state. I will select my state, and then there is WhatsApp number. I will insert my company WhatsApp number. Then there is pin code where you want the delivery, and then there is district, and this is where you provide the email address. I am providing my email address here, and on this email address you will receive the quotation. Please make sure that this email address is correct. Now I will select my unit in which I am going to provide all the values for my quotation. So I will select meters here, but you can select feet also, no problem. So in this field we will provide the perimeter. So to calculate the perimeter, you will need to have the access to your farm. You can calculate it manually, or you can calculate using Google Earth. So I am using Google Earth here to calculate the quotation, to calculate the perimeter, sorry. So now I have selected my land and it is showing in acres 16 acres, which is correct, and the perimeter is 1076 meters. So that is exactly what we want. So I will select 1076 meters here. Now it is asking me to select the distance between poles. So I would like it to be 3 meters apart, 10 feet, but you can select anything that you want from here. Now it is asking me how many corners do I have in my land. So my land has 4 corners, so I will write 4 here. So do you want fencing wire is the next question. I am going to select yes, because I do want the fencing wire. And do you want wire tighteners? I also need the wire tighteners to keep my wire steady and tight. So I will also select yes in the wire tighteners. Now how many layers do I want? So as you can read here, for wild boars it is recommended 3 to 4 layers, and for elephants 7 to 9 layers. So I am selecting 4 here, since the main problem in this farm is wild boars. And then there is entry gate. So how many entry gates your farm has? Most of the farms have 1 entry gate, but you can have 2 or 3 entry gates here. So I have selected 1. Just read the form carefully once you have filled it up, and then submit it. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes to get the quotation on your email. So I am going to sign up in my email account now. This can also be done on the phone, and the perimeter in the Google Earth can also be calculated on the phone as well. We will link the apps to do so in the description. So this is the old quotation that I generated. It is taking a bit of time, I think. So the same way you can generate more quotations. There is submit another response option. You can try different quotations for different layers also. So I got the new quotation here. So here are all the things that I mentioned in the quotation form, and here is my quotation in the PDF form. So the value of the quotation is 27,386 rupees, and everything that I needed was included in the quotation. Here is my name. Here is the total weight of the package that will be delivered to me. Here are all the pictures of the products that will be delivered, and here is the delivery charge, which is 965 rupees with VRL Logistics. And here are the payment details where you will make the payment. Now this is how easy it is to make the quotation. You can make as many quotations as you want, and if you want any custom quotations with custom additions, then you can contact us on the numbers that are provided on the screen. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the like button so that other people get to watch it. Thanks a lot.